Welcome back to Infinity Pi Technologies. Today let us find what is x to the power 0 equals to. There are several methods available to solve this question. Let us discuss two of the easiest methods among all those methods. So we need to find the value of x to the power 0. Let us draw a number line. This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, likewise all those numbers. And from here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So let us consider one example, that is x equal to 3. So here we need to find x to the power 0. So if I write here, this is 3 to the power 0. For this number it is 3 to the power 1. For this number it is 3 to the power 2. For this number it is 3 to the power 3. Likewise, this is 3 to the power minus 1. This is 3 to the power minus 2. And this is 3 to the power minus 3. So as we know, 3 to the power 1 means 3 multiplied 1 time, that is 3. 3 to the power 2 means 3 multiplied by 2 times. Similarly, 3 to the power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 times. And there is a formula, that is a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. So with the help of this formula, I can write 3 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 1. Likewise, 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2, that is 3 into 3. Similarly, 3 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 3 to the power 3, that is 1 by 3 into 3 into 3. So now I can write this is 1 by 27, this is 1 by 9, this is 1 by 3. This is what we are trying to find the value, that is 3 to the power 0. This is 3, 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Now if you look closely, then you can see from this number you will find this number by multiplying 3. Similarly, from this number you can find this number by multiplying 3. Let us go to the left hand side. So this is 1 by 27. As you can see, if you multiply it by 3, then you can find 1 by 9. Then in 1 by 9, if you multiply it by 3, then you can get 1 by 3. Now you need to tell me what I need to multiply to get this one. Obviously, this is a sequence where we are getting the next number by multiplying by 3. So the next number is 1 by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 1. So what is the value of 3 to the power 0? Then 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, you can replace this 3 with any number, and if you follow the number line formula, you can get that number to the power 0 is equal to 1. It means for any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. I hope you understood this method. Let us solve this with another method. So this is x to the power 0. We can write 0 as a minus a. So we can write this as x to the power a plus minus a. As we know, the method x to the power m plus n is equal to x to the power m into x to the power n. So applying this rule, we can write x to the power a plus minus a is equal to x to the power a into x to the power minus a. And also we know that x to the power minus a is equal to 1 by x to the power a. So next we can write it as x to the power a into x to the power minus a means 1 upon x to the power a. So we can write this as x to the power a divided by x to the power a. X to the power a means x is multiplied a times, and in the denominator also x is multiplied a times. It means in the numerator and the denominator the numbers are same. So they will cancel and the answer will be 1. So now we can write x to the power 0 is equal to 1. I hope this method also you have understood. Please write in the comment box which method you like the most. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood both the methods. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye bye and take care.